Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Couple quick clarifications. I am trading futures. If you don't know what futures are, I'll put a link down below in the description area to a totally free 4-part series that'll walk you through futures, how they work. And futures are awesome for you day traders out there in stocks and options. Maybe you're suffering, maybe you're annoyed by the pattern day trading rule. In futures, there is zero pattern day trading rule. You can day trade as much as you want every single day. And also, I am trading futures through a prop firm. What is a prop firm? How does a prop firm work? Which prop firm am I using? All that can be found at the link up above. I'll put it also down below. But in a nutshell, a prop firm is a way for you to put very little of your money at risk, and then you have a whole lot of upside potential. So I'm actually looking to buy this pullback here. If it wants to pull back a little bit more, that's an older line that we can get out of there. Well, no, it's coming back up. If it wants to come back down, I would be interested. But I will pause the screen recording for software for now, and I'll keep a close eye on it. All right, I'm going to go ahead and, at least I think I'm going to. Just thinking about buying here. Maybe not, though, as it continues to come down. Let's see if it wants to come down a bit more. I was hoping it'd come down to close to that purple line down there. There we go. There we go. And just like that, patient, patient, patient. And that's the results of patience. Yes, you remember, what is this guy doing? He's sitting there, he's sitting there, he's sitting there, he's not pressing the button. What is this guy doing? He's sitting there, sitting there, sitting there, not pressing the button. I wanted it down to that purple line. It got at that purple line. And yeah, it worked out very well for a fast trade. But like I said, that took a little bit of patience to get there. So very happy with that trade. I will go ahead and pause. Just absolute straight up right now. I've been watching it and really not even close to any trades just because I want to take the back. I was thinking about maybe buying a pullback here after it broke through, but even that, I wasn't that close because I never even got the software started. So I'll at least get it started and recording if it's looking like I'm gonna be interested enough to potentially do something. So I wasn't even interested enough to do that, but now, yeah. Shorting right here just seems pretty crazy because this is apparently a very, very strong move. But buying right here seems a bit more like FOMO, chasing after the price. So that doesn't seem very smart either. So one of those situations right now where, yeah, I kind of just got to, deploy the SOH order. What is the SOH order? Sit on hands. Sometimes, oftentimes, most times, that is the best order. Just do nothing because all right, finally getting a little bit of a pullback. But yeah, I mean, so yes, in hindsight, oh, I should have shorted right there, and I'm getting this move down. Okay, I mean, cool story. That's hindsight. I'll only speak for myself, but I can say I'm a pretty good hindsight trader. All right, I'll pause. Just want to give you an update on the pretty impressive move here. All right, I am looking to potentially buy this pullback here. Just starting small. Oops, on the wrong thing. So I'm just going to do 5 micros. Well, and looks like I'm looking like I was a bit too slow on that one. All right, I will pause. Well, that's how trading goes sometimes. I just a little bit too slow and looking to buy. Now, I'm not saying I would have played that perfectly and would still be holding or anything like that. I'm just saying, yeah, had the right idea. It just was a tad bit slow, wrong option contract or futures contract. So it is what it is on that one. But on that note, because I'll be honest, I'm a little irritated right now, and being irritated, not a good recipe to make good decisions. And I'm up a good respectable amount. Commissions right around probably $900. So I will take it and I will move on with my day. Real quick before I go, though, I do want to personally invite you to get signed up for the free live online webinar that I'm offering. So if you enjoyed what you saw here and you want to learn more about the tools that I'm using to build consistency and manage risk, and just make sure that you have a proper framework for your approach to the market and how you're operating, then I'm very confident this free webinar will offer a whole lot of value to you. So you can go down in the description area or just go to claytrader.com/live to learn when the next live class is. So definitely go get signed up for it. And as always, if you appreciate these live trade videos, make sure you hit that like button. And if you're not a subscriber, please consider hitting that subscribe button, as it really does help out the channel. So thanks for watching. Take care. Have a good one.